Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook Messenger for customer service. In this video, we will go over the steps involved in setting up, managing, and utilizing Facebook Messenger to provide exceptional customer service to your customers, building stronger relationships, and enhancing your overall customer experience. Step 1. Create a Facebook page for your business. If you haven't already, create a Facebook page for your business. This will be the foundation for your customer service presence on Facebook Messenger. Ensure that your page is well-branded, informative, and up-to-date with your business information, including contact details, website URL, and business hours. Step 2. Connect your Facebook page to Messenger. To enable Messenger functionality on your Facebook page, follow these steps. Go to your Facebook page and click on the Settings tab. Under the Messaging section, click on Set up Messenger. Choose the option to connect your page to Messenger. Step 4. Set up your greeting message and quick replies. Create a welcoming and informative greeting message that appears to customers when they first initiate a conversation with your business on Messenger. This message should set expectations for response time and provide a brief overview of your customer service offerings. Step 5. Set up automated responses for frequently asked questions, FAQs. Utilize Messenger's automated response feature to create pre-written answers to frequently asked questions, FAQs. This can save your time and streamline customer service interactions, providing quick and consistent responses to common inquiries. Step 6. Add a Messenger CTA button on your Facebook page. Add a Messenger CTA button to your Facebook page to make it easy for customers to initiate a conversation with you. This button can be placed prominently on your page, such as below your page cover photo or in your page's bio. Step 7. Respond promptly to customer messages. Aim to respond to customer messages promptly, ideally within 24 hours or less. This demonstrates your commitment to providing timely customer service and builds trust with your customers. Step 8. Personalize interactions and use customer names. Personalize your interactions with customers by addressing them by name whenever possible. This adds a touch of professionalism and makes customers feel valued. Step 9. Use Messenger's features to enhance customer service. Leverage Messenger's features to enhance your customer service experience. Use images, videos, and file sharing to provide more detailed information or instructions. Share links to relevant product pages or support articles. Step 10. Monitor and analyze customer interactions. Regularly monitor customer interactions on Messenger to identify trends, common issues, and areas for improvement. Use this data to refine your customer service strategies and address any recurring problems. Step 11. Integrate Messenger with your customer service software. Consider integrating Facebook Messenger with your existing customer service software to streamline customer interactions and access a centralized view of customer data and conversations. Step 12. Train your customer service team on using Messenger. Provide training to your customer service team on using Facebook Messenger effectively. This includes understanding the platform's features, communication etiquette, and best practices for handling customer inquiries. Step 13. Gather feedback and continuously improve. Encourage customers to provide feedback on their Messenger customer service experience. Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement and continuously enhance your customer service offerings on Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger offers a powerful tool for businesses to provide exceptional customer service, build stronger relationships, and enhance their overall customer experience. By following these steps and continuously refining your strategies, you can leverage Facebook Messenger to deliver personalized, efficient, and effective customer support that drives customer satisfaction and loyalty. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.